This is Yasmeen and I welcome you to hyderabadwala.com. Today I'll show you a simple recipe that is Cornflakes Chudva. This can be served as a snack and can be stored for about a week or two. Add oil for frying. When the oil is hot, add half cup peanuts. I'm using a 200 ml cup here. Fry the peanuts till light brown, and overfrying will lead to a burnt smell. Therefore, be careful to remove as soon as they are fried. Remove the fried peanuts and keep aside. Take 2.5 cup cornflakes. These cornflakes are available in 1 kg packets in kirana or grocery shops. When the oil is hot enough, add a handful of flakes. You can check by dropping a piece of a flake. If it comes at the top immediately, oil is then ready for frying. If you drop these flakes in the cold oil, they will not puff up and they will not turn crispy. Therefore, remember to drop these flakes in very hot oil and remove as soon as they puff up and turn crispier. Fry the cornflakes in turns. Remove the excess oil and leave only 2 tablespoons oil in the pan. Add 3 tablespoons small pieces of dry coconut, 2 tablespoons roasted Bengal gram of Phula Chana dal. Fry for a few seconds, then add 3 tablespoons raisins or Kishmish, or you can add more of raisins if you are fond of. Raisins take lesser time to fry, therefore I have added these later. Fry till the coconut, Bengal gram and raisins turn light brown. To prevent burning, immediately add 1/4 cup curry leaves. When its water is dried and there is no more moisture, add 1.5 teaspoons salt or add salt as per the taste. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder. Add fried peanuts and mix well. Switch off the flame, add fried cornflakes and mix thoroughly. Our cornflakes chudva is ready. Store in an airtight container and use as per the requirement. Enjoy this snack with evening tea. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment and like this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.